Well, I'm out now. The little hole there, if you can see in there, it's kind of dark, but I'm down to the bottom of the boat. You can find all kinds of junk down in there. Motor deck's off all the way down, and whew, I'm tired. Mercy, it's hot out here. But there's my gas tank. It's about 3 to 4 foot long, I guess. About 2.5 feet wide, about 8 inches deep. Gotta be careful, I'm gonna bust my butt. But Jordan, your pawpaw needs you. Jordan Bautista lives in Heavener. Pawpaw needs your help. Come on down. Yep, Jordan, my grandson, my youngest grandson, he's quite the little helper. He'll do anything you ask him to do. He jumped right in the middle of this. I'm not sure what he'd do with a drill, because we've already experienced that when he was younger. But he's my boy, and well, I can use his help. Well, I'm going for right now. I've got to take this thing down to the shop. They want to look at it and then the floor. But I'll talk to you later. I love you, Jordan.